Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how to draw a shadow for a cube. Let's start by drawing the cube. Follow these steps. Step 1. Draw a horizontal line for the base of the cube. Step 2. Draw 2 vanishing points on either side of the horizontal line. These will be used to create the illusion of depth. Step 3. Draw a vertical line that connects to the ends of the horizontal line. Step 4. Connect the ends of the vertical line to the vanishing points with straight lines. Step 5. Draw another set of parallel lines that are perpendicular to the first set. Connect the ends of these lines to the vanishing points as well. Now that we have our cube, let's move on to drawing its shadow. Follow these steps. Step 1. Draw 3 parallel lines that pass through the bottom corners of the cube. Step 2. Draw a horizontal line that connects to each of these parallel lines. Step 3. Connect the ends of these horizontal lines to create the shadow of the cube. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can create a realistic shadow for your cube drawing. Don't forget to practice and have fun with it.